Alright, so it's the same day as the last video. Or I mean, it's later in the day. Go check that last video. Start with part 1 if this is your first video watching of digging a hole for the mini bike. Go watch part 1 first before you watch part 2 or part 3. Yeah, your snow shovel works for this. So I'm hoping to get this done within this part, because I'm hoping the ground's easier. But I think either this part or the next part will be easier. We're not going downstairs. I'm gonna go and show you the results of how it's going. So we got all of this dug out. I'm working with right here. I'm working because I'm starting to shovel right here, and then I'm gonna start shoveling over there. So it shouldn't be that hard. But yeah, go check out the last video. I actually made that just this morning, and then I posted it in the same day. So, I'm not posting this video the same day though. The last video was yesterday. Because today is Wednesday, I think. So I'll be posting Thursday. This video right here. Yeah, a couple videos ago, the first part, I said it was gonna be the hardest video like ever to edit, but it wasn't at all. I didn't really have to speed it up that much. I thought I was gonna have to, but I also thought it was gonna be like a 30-minute video, and it was only an 18-minute. Yeah, the ground is way softer now, so it should hopefully be easier. Alright, so I said that I didn't have enough phone storage, but I deleted some apps and photos, and that took forever. We got this crap left. Put you on the tripod, hope it still records. And yeah, if it records for a while and stops, then it's just the end of the video, I'll say when I edit. But I'm not gonna mess around with deleting apps and stuff again. So, hold on, I need to put you guys on again. Oh crap. Hit pausing and then have to I hate like starting a new video whenever this happens. You guys should be able to see it. Alright, so keep saying that my phone storage is full. And I don't know what to do. I deleted a bunch of apps, a bunch of videos. It keeps saying that. But literally, I have this much to go. I don't want it to go out. So I'm gonna try and continue. I don't know if I can though. It's probably gonna go out in a few seconds, but worth a shot, I guess. Make sure it's still recording. Move you guys over here so you guys can see. Right here. So you guys hopefully can see. And then after this pipe, I'm just gonna have to end it. Now I'm gonna keep getting up and checking. Alright, so I got it all done. Big hole. I'm gonna send a picture to Alex really quick to make sure it's okay. I mean, I'm gonna dig this up a little bit, but I'm not digging this whole thing out if he says we should make a change or something. So I'm gonna take the picture and send it to him quick. That fits pretty good. Alright, this. It goes like that. Don't need that out. Alright, so I'm gonna have to end it right here because it keeps pulling up the iPhone storage thing. But I sent it to Alex. I'm hoping it says that it's alright. But you'd think, because if I make a little hole right here, like, it'll be more down than the actual track. But I'm gonna have to figure out my iPhone storage before I post another video. I know this is probably a short one, but hey, it's better than nothing, I guess. Hopefully it fits. I might just start putting dirt back on it and say, well, kind of sucks. That's not good. But hope you guys enjoyed, and hope I can figure my iPhone storage out. All right, so Alex is home. Started doing this drain. Put some dirt over it. Put that metal piece down. We're thinking about taking it out though and just having that black drain. But Alex is trying to dig more. My phone storage is probably gonna go out again soon.
Ugh.
But
my back's been killing me. I don't know. I'm old.
you are old. Oh, it's probably dirt here.